Welcome to Emma's Health Buddy. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of carrot juice and its incredible health benefits that you probably didn't know about. Carrot juice is more than just a refreshing drink. It's a powerhouse of nutrients that can transform your well-being. Are you dealing with weak immunity, poor digestion, dull skin, or vision problems? These issues can seriously impact your quality of life, but we've got a simple solution for you. In this video, we'll reveal the top 5 amazing health benefits of carrot juice that can tackle these problems head-on. If you find this helpful, make sure to subscribe to Emma's Health Buddy and check out the description below to learn more about health benefits. Let's get started.
Number 5. May reduce the risk of cancer. Carrot juice may reduce the risk of cancer due to its high content of antioxidants, particularly beta-carotene. These powerful compounds help neutralize free radicals in the body, which are known to contribute to the development of cancer. By incorporating carrot juice into your diet, you can potentially lower your risk of various types of cancer, including lung, breast, and colon cancer. While carrot juice's cancer-fighting properties are impressive, it ranks at number 5 on our list due to the fact that other superfoods offer even more potent anti-cancer benefits. For example, foods like broccoli and turmeric contain compounds that have been extensively studied for their cancer-fighting abilities and are considered more effective in preventing and combating cancer. Nonetheless, carrot juice's contribution to reducing cancer risk should not be underestimated, making it a valuable addition to a healthy diet. Number 4. Aids in digestion. Carrot juice is known for its ability to aid in digestion, thanks to its high fiber content. Fiber plays a crucial role in promoting healthy digestion by adding bulk to the stool and supporting regular bowel movements. Additionally, the soluble fiber found in carrot juice acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in the gut and promoting a healthy gut microbiome. While carrot juice's digestive benefits are noteworthy, it secures the number 4 spot on our list because other superfoods offer more comprehensive digestive support. Foods like ginger and yogurt, for instance, have been shown to have stronger anti-inflammatory and gut-soothing properties, making them more effective in addressing digestive issues. Nevertheless, incorporating carrot juice into your diet can still contribute to better digestion and overall gut health, making it a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Number 3. Promotes skin health. Carrot juice is a skin-loving elixir that can work wonders for your complexion. Packed with beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, carrot juice helps promote healthy skin by supporting cell regeneration and repair. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining skin health, as it helps prevent premature aging, improves skin tone, and supports overall skin elasticity. While carrot juice's skin benefits are impressive, it claims the number 3 spot on our list because other superfoods offer more potent skin-nourishing properties. Ingredients like avocado and salmon, rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, provide more comprehensive support for skin health, including hydration, protection against UV damage, and reduction of inflammation. However, incorporating carrot juice into your diet can still contribute to a radiant complexion and overall skin vitality, making it a valuable addition to your skincare routine. Number 2. Boosts immune system. Carrot juice is a potent immune-boosting elixir that can help fortify your body's natural defense mechanisms. Rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene, carrot juice supports immune function by neutralizing harmful free radicals and reducing inflammation. Vitamin C is essential for the production of white blood cells, which play a key role in fighting off infections and illnesses, while beta-carotene helps enhance the body's immune response. While carrot juice's immune-boosting properties are impressive, it secures the number 2 spot on our list because other superfoods offer even more robust immune support. Ingredients like garlic and elderberry are renowned for their powerful antiviral and antibacterial properties, making them more effective in preventing and combating infections. Nevertheless, incorporating carrot juice into your diet can still provide a valuable boost to your immune system, helping you stay healthy and resilient year-round. Number 1. Improves vision. Carrot juice is renowned for its ability to improve vision and promote eye health, earning it the top spot on our list. Packed with beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, carrot juice plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy eyesight. Vitamin A is essential for the proper functioning of the retina and helps protect the eyes from age-related degeneration, such as macular degeneration and cataracts. While carrot juice's vision-enhancing properties are exceptional, it surpasses other superfoods in this category due to its high concentration of beta-carotene, which is specifically beneficial for eye health. Foods like spinach and kale also contain vision-supporting nutrients, but carrot juice's unique ability to deliver a concentrated dose of beta-carotene sets it apart as a top contender for improving vision and maintaining optimal eye health. Incorporating carrot juice into your diet can help you see the world more clearly and protect your eyes for years to come.
We've uncovered the top 5 amazing health benefits of carrot juice that may surprise you with their incredible impact on your well-being. From improving vision to boosting the immune system, aiding in digestion, promoting skin health, and potentially reducing the risk of cancer, carrot juice proves to be a versatile and powerful addition to your diet. While each benefit holds its own significance, it's clear that carrot juice shines brightest in enhancing vision, making it a standout superfood for eye health. By incorporating carrot juice into your daily routine, you can reap a multitude of health benefits that go beyond just quenching your thirst. We encourage you to delve deeper into the world of superfoods and explore the wonders of carrot juice for yourself. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, and making small changes like adding carrot juice to your diet can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. For more detailed information on the health benefits, check out the description below. Cheers to a healthier you with the power of carrot juice.